you have psoriasis, you've probably asked this question at least once. Why does my skin flare even when I'm doing everything right? And why does it calm down for a while and then come back again? Today, I want to talk about something most people don't explain clearly. Psoriasis care is not about chasing a cure in skincare, but it is about understanding what supports your skin. And of course, it helps you reduce the recurring flares. It's also about eliminating those things that are known to trigger flares. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skin and hair care expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for their therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to create hair care and skin care that truly works. Now, psoriasis is an immune mediated condition. So, the immune system is involved, but the impact is seen on the skin and the scalp. So, topical care isn't here to fix your immune system, it is here to help your skin survive the stress it is under. And that should be a very important distinction in your head. So, let us first understand what assistive care means. In chronic concerns like psoriasis, assistive care focuses on calming the skin and protecting the skin barrier. It supports the skin so it can cope better with ongoing immune stress. Now, it helps in some of the following ways. 1. Gentle non-stripping cleansing, like this restorative shampoo. Now, psoriatic skin or scalp usually has a weakened skin barrier that struggles to retain moisture and protect itself. Gentle sulfate-free cleansers do not strip and thus do not trigger micro tears. They help remove dirt and impurities without further damaging the barrier. Remember, psoriatic skin does not need to feel squeaky clean, but it does need to be protected while cleansing. 2. Consistent moisturization with lipid-rich products like the restorative oil. Now, consistent use of lipid-rich products made with 100% natural cold-pressed oils helps support a compromised barrier. These oils contain plant-derived lipid components that closely resemble the skin's natural structure. Over time, they help keep the skin calmer and better moisturized even when the barrier is weakened due to psoriasis. 3. Plant oils that support barrier repair. The Daily Repair body oil does exactly this. As I've explained earlier, some plant oils are structurally similar to the lipids found in our skin. That's why the right oils don't just sit on the surface, but they support barrier repair over time and help train the skin to retain moisture and resilience. This long-term barrier support is something many formulations overlook, but it's essential for managing chronic conditions like psoriasis. 4. Managing stress, sleep, and inflammation. Remember this, psoriasis flares get triggered by a combination of stress, poor sleep, systemic inflammation, and irritants in products, affecting your weakened immune system, which then affects your skin. So, a huge part of assistive care is to maintain a healthy lifestyle with handy tools that help manage stress. Now, let's talk a little bit deeper into some of these triggers. An important thing to understand is that most flares build up quietly in the background over a lot of time. Triggers can differ from person to person, but here are some of the most common ones. Harsh soaps, shampoos, and frequent washing. Over-cleansing strips away protective oils again and again, weakening the skin barrier. Over-exfoliation or strong actives. Psoriatic skin does not need stimulation. Strong actives and aggressive exfoliation often stress the skin further instead of protecting it. Fragrance overload. Fragrance is one of the most common yet overlooked triggers. Limiting unnecessary fragrance exposure can make a significant difference. And mind you, a lot of products contain fragrance other than your perfumes and deodorants. Harmful preservatives. Preservatives like parabens and DMDM hydantoin that are known to affect the hormone system can become triggers if used in daily personal care. Skipping your routine when skin looks better. This is a big one. When skin appears calm, many people stop their routine. But psoriasis requires maintenance. It's not care only during flares. Stress and weather changes both play a major role in triggering psoriasis. Managing stress and staying consistent with your routine helps keep the skin more stable over time. Psoriasis support must always include care that goes beyond medication. Steroids may be necessary in certain phases under medical guidance, but the right assistive care used consistently can teach your skin how to stay resilient. And if you're living with psoriasis, know this, your skin is asking for safer support. All you need to do is work with it, protect it, and stay consistent. Save this video if you're learning to work with your skin and not fight it.